Have you ever played a song in your ESL classroom and then just moved on? You're missing a huge opportunity. Today, I'm sharing 5 creative ways to use music that will make your lessons more fun and more effective and more memorable. Let's turn those tunes into powerful teaching tools. Hi, I'm Megan from Florentis Learning, where we help online teachers save prep time and teach with confidence using beautifully designed, ready to teach curriculum. Music is one of the most powerful engagement tools we use, like our original song, What Color Is It, from the Level 1 Colors unit. More on that in a moment. So, what are your favorite songs to use when you're teaching? Share them in the comments below. I'm always looking for new songs to use with my students. So let's look at some games and activities. First up, lyric gap fills. Choose a song your learners enjoy and remove keywords, especially vocabulary or grammatical structures that you're teaching. As the students listen, they fill in the blanks. This helps with listening comprehension and reinforces target language. You can make this activity digital, in Genially, or printable for homework, or just do it on a whiteboard and throw up the gap fill and have them actually put the words in. So let's talk about action songs and TPR. These are perfect for young learners. So our What Color Is It song is a great example. It prepares color vocabulary with lots of repetition. It's the warm-up song in our Level 1 Colors unit, and it gets students saying things like, it is red and I see green with confidence. And the question, which sometimes when we're teaching, the teacher asks all of the questions and the students don't get that same opportunity to practice the question stems, especially in one-on-one lessons. So they get lots of practice in the lyrics with what color is it. I've linked the song in the description below so you can use it in your next lesson. My third activity is vocabulary sorting. After listening to a song, ask students to sort words into categories like verbs, nouns, colors, feelings. It depends on the song, but whatever works. This will help to reinforce comprehension and build connections between new vocabulary and language functions. You can do this with a word bank or a cut and sort activity on your digital whiteboard. So let me know in the comments if you've tried What Color Is It in your class. I'd love to hear how it went. Another creative idea is to rewrite the lyrics. So What Color Is It is a great song, but it's designed for Level 1 learners. So these are very much beginners. And it only gets into 3 colors. So you could actually have them practice the lyrics for maybe pink or orange or other colors that aren't mentioned in the song. You can also take a song like that has lyrics like I like to move it, and they might write instead, I like to read books. It's a great way to develop sentence structure and personalized language, and it works especially well with older students. And finally, music themed projects, especially when you're dealing with intermediate and advanced learners, they often have very specific musical interests. So let them create a class playlist, design album covers, even act out or sing a favorite English song. These projects build confidence and get your students using language in a fun, real way. If you've ever done a music project in your classroom with your students, tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. So the next time you press play in your classroom, don't just play the song, make it part of the learning experience. If you'd like to try What Color Is It and explore our ready-made lessons with built-in songs, check out florentislearning.ca. You'll get access to all sorts of lessons. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow ESL teacher who loves using music as well. And don't forget to check out our videos next week as we bring more weekly teaching tips from Florentis Learning.